Hello, today we are going to talk about this spring-powered USP by a company called YNP, I believe. This is a very nice model, spring-powered USP. What I like about this gun is that when you have no pellets, it locks back. Okay, as it's a spring-powered gun, you have to pull the side back to shoot each time. The hammer moves when you pull the trigger. It does have a safety. Here, you push this down, the safety is on. I can't shoot, look. You push this up, safety is off. Okay, magazine. Also, when I'm loading the gun, I usually have it locked back because I feel it's quicker and easier to load the pellets. Well, immediately. But okay, this here is the magazine release. You push down and you are presented with your magazine. Also, unlike some magazines, it doesn't have a spring at the front, so you have to use a speed loader, or you could just manually insert the pellets, which I'll do now. Okay. Okay, oops. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, for some reason, this holds about 13, which is very good. I think that's quite fair for a gun of this size. I just slide it in. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so there you have it. Also, it has a very nice weight as well, and it's made of ABS plastic. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry there wasn't much to talk about, but there were a few details. But other than that, this is a really good gun, really fun to use. It looks good as well. Quite easy to operate. I like it. I like the fact that it locks back when you have no pellets left. I find that quite helpful. And it has a safety as well.